Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Tatjana from Garnet Beauty and Art, and today I'm going to use my new mold, which is like with a bubbly effect, and we'll see what beautiful we can create. I have premixed my resin, which is 1:1 ratio, and I've got two separate cups on a side where we're going to split some resin and mix our colors. And I'm going to use different colors today. Will be white and 3 different shades of blue color. And we are going to start with the first color where we're going to mix our white, and I have added about 12 drops to create a beautiful white. And when I mixed, I just decided to add 5 more drops to create more solid color. And with any color, make sure you mix it really well. And for the second color, we are going to use blue color. So yeah, I'm just adding a few more drops for this one to make it a little bit more whiter, as it's quite a lot of resin in there. It's still quite milky color, as you can see, but I just needed a couple of more drops for this one, as it's quite a lot of resin in there. And for the next color, we are going to use a blue color. The first blue I'm going to use, it's quite green blue color, you know, like a color of my silicone matte. So it's a kind of like a sea color. So I have mixed this color. It's nice and beautiful, but I decided to add a couple of more drops of my other blue to create a bit deeper color for my first color. And again, with these colors you can go as creative as you like and choose completely different shades than I'm doing. So as you can see, this one is quite greenish color, so I added a darker blue, and I will mix. When I mix this one, then it will be like a really good dark deep color. It's still see-through, but it's nice and deep color. And for the second color, I'm going to use our greeny blue color first, which I used first one, and then I will add few more drops of the green color to create like a really water effect, like a sea water, and just a couple of drops of the green one, and you will see how beautiful this color will be. Actually, it's same color of my silicone matte, like really nice sea color. And for the last one, we are just adding few more drops of the blue one just to make it a little bit more deeper color, and it's still really like greenish green blue color. And for the last one, I'm going to use just a couple of drops of the blue to make it really light blue color. Instead of just having just a clear, I've done a couple of drops to make a little bit of pigment in there. And I've got some crushed glass on the side as well, which I will be using in the middle. And I always mix resin again before I pour it, so just a double mix again, make sure all colors is really good mixed, and then we're ready to start. We are going to start with a white color and just pour it in the middle of the coaster and make sure it's spread all the way around. When I was doing this, I could not see that actually my table wasn't being leveled correctly, and you can see on a camera, but I could not see it when I was doing everything. that it's a little bit bended on the side. So I noticed it later on, but I a little bit overflowed the mold as well. So just going over with a heat gun, and then we will be ready to add our second color. Just can see some fluff in there. Again, just double mixing the color, and we are going to add it just in the middle of the coaster as well. Just nice and quick in one place, just straight everything in the middle. And I'm just make sure it's all mixed really well. And we will be ready. Just go a little bit with a heat gun as well to help to remove the bubbles before we're going to pour. And then it's all goes just in the middle of the coaster. And now you can really see how my table is not leveled, and it's overflowing on one side but not on another. But I could not see it when I was doing it. And again, make sure you go with a heat gun or torch. I just went a little bit with a heat gun, but after this I was using just a torch. We're going to move to our second color of the blue, and again it will go in the middle, and then again just to go over with a heat gun or torch. Now I'm really noticing it's overflowing, and just adding a bit more of this color, and just slightly of the last color will go in the middle. And then we'll do some crushed glass as well. And I will put camera on time lapse, and you will be able to see how the color will be moving and making it magic. You can see already how quick it start moving to the middle, and it just fascinating how amazing what amazing designs it create. And with resin there is no limits, and you never know what result you will have with this. Just adding some crushed glass in the middle of my coaster, and it's like a green blue color as well. And just using my metal spoon, which is really handy for any like a glitter or crushed glass. Make sure it's go down to the resin, so it's covered with the resin. And then we all done. I will go still few times with a torch, and yes, so I will put some music and you can enjoy the video, and see you later for demolding. Hello everyone and welcome back, and it's time to demold our beautiful mold we done yesterday. And look how beautiful it looks. It's really cool. I really like this side. I don't know what it will be on another side, but this side looks really cool. So let's have a look what on another side. And it's my new mold, and let's have a look what we've got in there. Are you ready? Let's have a look. That's so cool. Look at this bubbly effect. It's like a bubbles and different colors. I really like this mold. Look at this. Really beautiful middle and with a nice white frame. Look at this. They are so cool. They look like little pearls. I really like it, and this side is so beautiful as well. It's like a deep color. Really interesting, and I really like my new mold. I think it's so cool. Let me know what you think about this, and thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see you shortly. Oh yeah, also I done from leftovers as well, just a little small mold. And now let's have a look what we've got in there as well. Let me just try to take it off and have a look. And I've got little white in there as well, so just from leftovers, but it's quite cool as well. I hope you like, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and this is my mold, which like with a bubbly effect, and it's really cool, and I just love it the way it comes on the side. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon. Thank you. Bye for now.